All right, question 25, about 21% of students got this correct. So let's see what it says. Which inequality is equivalent to negative 3x plus 2y is greater than 5y plus 9? So I might not have seen a problem like this before, but I'm looking at all of my answer choices. When I'm not sure what to do, I'm going to look at all my answer choices, and I notice that all of my answer choices have y on the left side. So the first thing I'm going to think is, how can I make sure I get all of my y's onto the left side so I can match this? So I'm going to try to work this problem out. Negative 3x plus 2y is greater than 5y plus 9. Alright, so I'm going to try to get all my y's to one side, and the first thing I'm thinking is, well, I need to move all my y's to the left side, so how do I move a positive 5y? I'm going to do a minus 5y. So both sides minus 5y, minus 5y. When I do that on my next line, I'm still going to get the negative 3x on the left side, so drop that down. And then a positive 2y minus 5y gives me a minus 3y. Bring down your sign, greater than. These guys are gone. They're canceled out. So all I have left is the 9. So now, this is what I have. Negative 3x minus 3y is greater than 9. I still need to get this y all by itself. So now I'm thinking, how do I get rid of this negative 3x? How do I move a negative 3x? Plus 3x on both sides. Plus 3x. When I do plus 3x on both sides, on the left side, the minus 3x and the plus 3x cancel out. So all I have left, I'm going to drop down what I still have left, which is the negative 3y. So I still have a negative 3y. Bring down your greater than sign. 9 plus 3x. Am I allowed to add those together? No, because they're not like terms. One's a number, one's an x. So I'm just going to write it like I read it. 9 plus 3x. Last step, I'm almost there. I need to get the y all by itself. So now I'm going to divide the entire equation by a negative 3. I need to get this negative 3 that's being multiplied out. So divide everything by negative 3. So I'm going to divide this by negative 3. I'm going to divide this by negative 3. I'm going to divide this by negative 3. Be careful not to divide by positive 3. We need to divide by negative 3 so I can get rid of the negative sign. So now, on the left side, I just get the y. Remember that this is one of those special cases whenever you divide both sides by a negative number. Whenever you divide both sides by a negative number, the sign is going to flip. And this is where a lot of our students got stuck on. So the greater than sign is now going to become a less than sign. Positive 9 divided by negative 3. Positive divided by negative gives me negative 3. And a positive 3 divided by negative 3 gives me a negative 1x. Or you can just write your answer as y is less than negative 3 minus x. So go back, check your answer. This should be the right answer. This one is this one right here, D. I've got the y, I've got the less than sign, I've got a negative x, and I've got a negative 3.